Okay, so you got a new notification for this video. So I'm redoing this video. I'm now at a new school and I have some new resources to share with you. So this video, what is Common Core? So I live in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and you can use this website. I have tried to post a link in the comments. I took me a long time to learn how to do that. So this booklet will tell you what the standards are for math according to the Pennsylvania Common Core. I'll try to post this link. All right. So now, PA Core standards on the left. 2.1. 2 is for math. Point 1 is numbers and operations. Point 2 is algebraic concepts. Point 3 is geometry. And point 4 is measurement, data, and probability. The standards for mathematical practice. These are the 8 things that all teachers want to do. So this is coming down from the National Common Core. The standards for mathematical practice is what we want students to try to work to, these mathematical practice standards. All right, there's the 8 mathematical practices, a little bigger. You can pause the video and read them. All right, now, the National Common Core standards are something that was developed in like the late 2000s, early 2010s. I think this came out in 2011, 29, between 29 and 2012. And then every state did their own thing. I mean, this is what America is. Every state got to do their own thing. All right, so there is the website, and I'll try to link this website as well. I got to remember how to do that. So let's get to what I want to show you. Now, I was given not these books. These are K to 2 and 3 to 5. This is called the Common Core Mathematics Companion. If your students are struggling with math, buy these books. You might not have to buy the K to 2 or 3 to 5, but definitely get the 6 to 8 and the high school mathematics companion. These are way easier to read than that Common Core booklet, which you can download for free. These books right here are about 20 some odd dollars a piece. I put the ISBN numbers up top for you, so you could just Google the ISBN numbers and then shop for it and find the lowest price. When you open this book, it's going to show you the 8 mathematical practice standards. It's going to show you every standard broken down for the Common Core. So you'll see goofy letters like REI and NS and APR and all kinds of things like this. All of these letters mean something. They have codes. You can read it out and figure out what it is. But when you get into the book, what you do is you flip it open and you read the course. Say, let's say the code is APR, I don't know, .B.2. I can't remember what APR is off the top of my head because I'm just encountering this book this year. But it will list out the standard. It will tell you what the teacher should teach and what the student should know. It's like it lists the standard, it lists the statement of the standard, and the statement of the standard is your basically objective or your learning goal or your learning target or whatever the teacher says. And then it specifically tells you for all you homeschoolers, for all you new teachers or young math teachers, get these 2 books. These are more valuable than most of the textbooks you have currently. I can't say enough good things about the book. They are pretty thick. They're like, I don't know, 200, 300 pages, but they break down every standard and they tell you exactly what you need to teach. They tell you they give you an idea of some misconceptions. I know some school districts, the way you had to write lesson plans is they want you to answer all of these detailed questions, especially in your first 3 years, when you're on those new teacher induction things. You may not know everything because you don't have the experience. Get these 2 books and read them. They are more valuable than most of the textbooks you will see out there. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you watch more of my videos. And good luck out there and do well. And remember, in order to learn math, you got to do math. Even if your teachers, keep up on your math, keep doing math and practicing math so that if you ever get bumped up into a different grade or a higher grade or a different course, you can have the skills ahead of the students. Because sometimes as a teacher, we're 1 and 2 and maybe 3 days at most ahead of the students with what we plan for and what we expect the students to know and what we expect them to do and all of that. So again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.